Hello everyone, good morning children. Today we are going to see a different concept in a MS PowerPoint 2007, that is custom animation. So already we know that what is a animation. In grade 4 you people have learned that what is a animation. Now we are going to apply a animation in our PowerPoint also. In grade 4 we learned the animation concept in a GIF animate. In GIF animation, yes or no? So in PowerPoint now we are going to see how we are going to add a animation. In this chapter, first we are going to learn what is a animation, what is a custom animation, how you will animate a text, and how you are going to add a transition to all the slides in your PowerPoint. Okay. First, animation. Animation is nothing but moving pictures is called as a animation. Moving pictures from one place to another is called as a animation. Animation can be done for text, shapes and pictures. Okay. Next concept, we are going to learn about a custom animation. It is a list of animation effects that can apply for the text, pictures or shape to animate during the slideshow. Now I am going to show you in the PowerPoint presentation where we have a custom animation. Okay. Go to the animation. Can everyone see here? Yes, this is a custom animation. Okay. It contains the list of animation effect that can apply. Already I told that you can add a animation to a text, pictures and shape. So there will be the list of animation effects that you can apply for your related content. Okay. Next, list of animating effects. What are the animating effects we have? To see animating effects, what you need to do is you need to click a custom animation and click a add effect button. See here, go to the PowerPoint, go to the animation. So once you click to the custom animation, in the right side you are getting the custom animation dialog box, right? Yes. First type any content. For example, I am typing computer. Okay. So after typing computer, you just click a add effect. There are 4 add effects we have in our custom animation. One is entrance, embasses, exit and motion path. So entrance, embasses, exit, motion path explanations are given in the textbook. I request everyone to take up page number 63. So entrance, how an object appears first up. How an object appears first on the screen. So if I click the entrance, in the entrance also even I have a more effects. Blinds, box, checkerboard, diamond and fly in. See, if I click blinds, you see. Okay. So what are the effects that you are adding? So parallelly next to the speed, it will be added in the empty area. See here. I have clicked the checkerboard. Okay. So parallelly it will be added in the blank area. So if I click play, so both the effects will be displaying here. Okay. Next is the embasses, ways of modifying an object to call attention to them. Okay. I'm just choosing embasses. So under embasses also we have a n number of effects. One is a change font size, change font style, grow on shrink and spin. See, if I click spin, you just see here, it will rotate your content. Okay. Change font size. So the font size will be keep on increasing. Okay. And next, change font. Okay, so if it is a bold, it will convert into a normal character. And next is the exit. So it means that how an object moves, how an object leaves the screen. See here. So it is the ending part. Exit means the ending, right? See, it will close your content. So we have a n number of content in a exit also. Sorry, n number of effects. Diamond. So through diamond shape, your text will be leaves the screen. Fly out. Okay. Next is a motion. Movement of an object on the screen between entry and exit. So there will be some movement on your object. So when you are entering and exiting the screen, see. Okay. So this is motion path. Down. So it will comes down. Left. Right. Up. Even you have a more effects. Okay. Okay. So I'm just playing all the effects from entrance to motion path. It will be displaying here. Okay. You can increase the speed and you can decrease the speed. See here. So these are the effects that we have under the custom animation. I am repeating here, custom animation which contains a list of animation effects. So you can add an effect by entering some content in the slide. After entering the content, so you just click the custom animation. After clicking the custom animation, you will get a custom animation dialog box. Click the add effect. Under add effect, you will get a n number of effects: entrance, embasses, exit and motion path. Even under those effects, we have different kinds of effects. Okay. Next, we are going to learn about animating a text. How we are going to animate a text? So just now I showed you, right? It means animating the letters with the effects available in a custom animation. Select the desired effect from the list of effects. So just now I have shown you, right? So this is how we are going to animate a text. So this concept is related to animating the text. Next we are moving to the next concept. When we are animating a text, we have a start, direction and speed. Okay. So we have three options, like one is a start, another one is a direction, another one is a speed. So under start, we have three options: on click, with, previous, after previous. On click indicates that the explanations are given in the textbook. Take your textbook, page number 64. The presentation will halt at this point and wait for a mouse click before running a particular effect. So when I am giving the mouse click, when I am pressing the mouse button, then only each effects will be keep on changing. Okay. With previous means along with the previous effect, the next effect also will appear. After previous means the object begins to appear automatically as soon as the previous effect has been finished. Okay. So these are the explanation about on click, with previous and after previous. Okay. And next, by default option. By default, in the starting point, we have only the on click option. We have only the on click option. Next, direction. So what is the meaning of direction? Direction indicates that in which direction the object should flow. Okay. So by default we have across. Even we have one more direction also, that is down. Okay. There are two options under direction. One is across, another one is down. By default we have across. Okay. Next is the speed. It indicates how fast the effect needs to be display. How fast the effect needs to be displayed. Here in speed also we have a n number of options, like, so you can make your effects very slow, medium, fast and very fast. So you can make your effect very slow, medium, fast and very fast. Okay. And even in add effect, so if you click any kind of effect like entrance, emphasis, exit or a motion path, so after that you have a more effect options also. If you click that options, you will get a n number of effects that is not viewed on that particular dialog box. Okay. After choosing a desired effect, click OK. Then only that effect will be applied to your text. Okay. How we animated a text? Even we can animate shapes also. For that, what you need to do is, first you need to open a blank slide. Okay. Here I am adding a new slide which is a blank. Okay. So go to the insert tab. Under insert tab, there will be the illustration group. In illustration group, choose any shape. You can choose any shape. Okay. You can choose any shape. If you want to fill a color to your shape, you can fill. You can apply the color to the shape. So after inserting, so again go to the animation part, click the custom animation, click the add effect. You can click a entrance, you can click any effect. So you can click exit. You can choose any options in exit effect. So flying. So these are the options that you can follow for animating your shape. Again I am repeating. Go to the insert tab. Under insert tab you have an illustration group. Choose a shape. Insert it in your blank slide. So after that again move back to your animation tab. Click a custom animation. Go to the add effect option. Click any one effects. Click exit. Click a fly out. So that particular effect is applied to your shape. So these are the steps for animating your shape. Next, even you can animate your pictures also. For that, click a insert. Click a picture on the illustration group. You can choose any pictures that is available in your computer system. After inserting, click add effect, click exit, fly out. Okay. So you can animate text, shapes and images in your PowerPoint presentation. The steps are: open a page number 66. You need to open a blank slide, and after opening a blank slide, you want to insert a shape. So go to the insert tab, and after that click on a illustration group, choose the shapes to insert, and next again move back to the animation tab, click a custom animation. After clicking a custom animation, you on the right side you will get the add effect option. You can choose any options. Okay, and you can modify your starting and direction and speed also here. Next, we are going to learn about the slide transition concept. Next is a slide transition concept. So slide transition is nothing but it is an animation effect that can be given only for a slide. So you can add, so as of now we seen that we can animate a text, image or a shape. Now we can apply the animation effects to our slides also. To add a transition to a slide, so again click on the animation tab, choose the desired transition effects that you like to apply to the slide. So if you feel that you no need any transition to your slide, you can, there will be the option no transition also. You can click a no transition option for removing that particular effect. I'll show you. See, as of now we have a 3 slides. So go to the animation tab. In animation tab you have a n number of transition. You can apply any effects. Okay. Show you. Okay. So the steps to add a transition to a slide is, first click on the animation tab. Click on the animation tab. There will be the n number of transition effects available in the transition to this slide group. So you can choose any effects and you can apply to your particular slide. Okay. So if you feel that you no need any transition effects, so there will be the no transition effects. You can click on that transition. So when you are playing your slide, you won't get any transition effects. Okay. Take a page number 69. There are the few steps to add a slide transition to your presentation. Click on the animation tab after creating your presentation. Click on the desired slide transition effect. Next, you can select any transition effect. Fourth, you can apply the transition speed also. You can apply the transition speed. See here, slow, medium and fast. So after applying, there will be the option whether you need to apply that particular transition effect to all the slides or only to that particular slide. If you click apply to all, so if there is a 10 slide in your presentation, the particular transition effect is applied to all the 10 slides in your PowerPoint presentation. Next, if you feel that if you want to remove the slide transition in your presentation, so first click on the slides tab that appears on the left side of your slide pane. And again move back to the animation tab. There will be the no transition effect. So click on that. After clicking, you just click apply to all. So it will remove the slide transition effects that is applied to all your PowerPoint presentation. So I request everyone to go through the textbook for the steps to insert a slide transition to your presentation, animating a shape, animating a text. Okay, that's all about this chapter, children. Now we are going to write our TB exercises. I request everyone to take a page number 72 to write our TB exercises. First main, state true or false. First question, you can control how an object appears on the screen using a exit option. It is false. Using entrance only, we can control the object first appears on the screen. Animation effects can be applied only to the pictures. False. We can apply to the text, shape as well as. Third one, speed option determines how fast the effect is to run. Is true. Slide transition or the animation like effects. True. Shapes button is in the illustration group. True. Second main, choose the correct answer. Which effect controls an object to leave the screen? That is a exit. How many custom paths are there under the draw custom path animation? We have 4: entrance, embasses, exit, motion path. Which tab holds the picture and shape options in the ribbon? That is a insert. Okay. Third main, answer the following in one word. Default option to select when the effect should happen. That is on click. Moving a text. That is a text animation. That is a text animation. Way of modifying an object to call attention to them is emphasis. EMPHASIS. Third one is emphasis. Fourth one, option to remove a slide transition from a presentation is no transition. No transition. Okay. So I request everyone to copy the same in your TB exercises. Again, we are moving to the sixth main. Label the effect that are available under the add effect. Okay. The first one is entrance. Second one, emphasis. Third one, exit. Fourth one, motion paths. Okay. I request everyone to copy the same in your TB exercises, children. In case any doubt, you can ask me in the interactive session. You can try it and see in your computer system also. If you have PowerPoint 2007. You just try it. In case if you got any doubt, ask me in the interactive session, children. Thank you. Bye.